What it feel like to see the truth and still ignore it? Whether in denial or out of it is still important. I'm from where they sold men, secrets only told friends. Dusty church with old hymns, 24s and chrome rims, dirty south. Fubu jersey with that 5 on it. Skeletons in closets on a hanger, look alive, don't it? Look alive if you trying to survive. Head on a swivel, dribbling might be your ride. I'm trying to make it to a higher height. Square when it's time to fight. Pair up with the baddest one. Kona Dalton, Highland Heights, that pipeline. Way later I found Jigga in my lifetime. I'm catching up and still can't sleep at nighttime. So much going on inside my head, I should talk it out. I can never be no lame if God know my heart is sound. Hand closer to the flame until it spark a cloud. Why they never wanna bite but they be barking loud. I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies and tell the truth, shame the devil. Yeah, I'm really on it. Really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies, tell the truth, yeah. My latest prayer is to climb beyond the point I'm at. Keep elevating, make new lanes and light the path. My latest prayer is to be patient during hard times. Stay prepared to fight for power while my art shines. My latest prayer is to be present and accept the wins. And if I fail, I end up second prayer, I play again. My favorite prayer is when I'm grateful and don't ask for nothing. I'm often selfish, byproduct of not having nothing. I hate that prayer when I feel desperate and don't get no answer. In the silent times, I usually get to taking chances. Well, maybe that was what I needed when I think about it. I just pray that I remember before I drink about it. I say a prayer when I get nervous, then a second one. Stay aware of the mirages in the desert sun. Today I swear I won't be wasteful of my time for nothing. My latest prayer is that I'm thankful when it's said and done. I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies and tell the truth, shame the devil. Yeah, I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies, tell the truth.
Been told that I never get up from the bottom. I've been told by the haters that I was the problem. But I found my voice, and I made a choice to breathe in my own air. Devil may care, in case you weren't aware. I am enough, I am enough, I am enough. Somebody else to come fill up my cup. Me and myself and I, rain on Sunday and night. I am enough, I am enough, I am enough. When I wake in the morning, I recite my mantra. Won't dance to your rhythm when I'm my own genre. Yeah, I found my voice, and I made a choice to breathe in my own air. Devil may care, in case you weren't aware. I am enough, I am enough, I am enough. Don't need somebody else to come fill up my cup. But I am still worth it. I am enough, I am enough, I am enough. Don't need somebody else to come fill up my cup.
Corporation. Giving a shout out to the world. All 8 billion of y'all. You know who you are. Yo, the planet's in peril. We gotta respect it. Cause we're interconnected. Interconnected. You know it's true. We're interconnected. Me and you, interconnected. Interconnected. Yeah. Interconnected. Come on. Interconnected. Yeah. Interconnected. We're interconnected. You gotta respect it. The planet's in peril. Everybody's affected. No one is exempt, kid. We gotta correct it. No one's getting out alive. Every day we are tested. The culture is septic. This ain't an apoplectic. But go about your business. Keep it calm and collected. If you're living on the brink, your fucking it is affected. Your brain's being strained. Your body won't rest. Yeah, your brain's being strained. Keep your body well rested. You're under attack from unnatural stresses. If you think you're alone, you need a change of perspective. Cause we're living in a world that's interconnected. So take a moment, take a breath, and acknowledge that you're blessed. Yes, yes. We're all made of stardust, never forget. 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 Cause we're interconnected. Interconnected. We're interconnected. 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 Yeah. Interconnected. Come on. Interconnected. Yeah. Interconnected. Yeah. Raise on. What's your social media? Fabian. Dopamine delivery's a primary ingredient. So-called disruptors getting rich from your obedience. Orwellian with the twist. Got all your private bits. Silicon kingpins getting mad rich, monetizing online lives. Stock price at an all-time high. Yeah. Venture capital vultures screening the proscenium. Watching the monkeys in the zoo, a human tedium. Wall Street sheep, listen to them bleat. Throw $1 off a cliff, you can watch them leap. Toxic, obnoxious fools sitting in the cockpit, bombing us endlessly with shiny objects, meaningless topics. It's all about the optics. Don't get me started, bro, you'll never get me off it. Interconnected. Yeah. Interconnected. We're interconnected. 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 Yeah. Interconnected. Come on. Interconnected. Yeah. Interconnected. This world is lawless to the lawless. People take what they want just to put it in their wallets. Greed is what you call it. They're like an alcoholic. They never get enough on a never-ending frolic. Karma's got a funny way of collecting at the last minute when you least expect it. So if you got money, better check your perspective and never forget this. We're interconnected.